because the whole point of this is to make some money.
I got a Persian bitch with buns, she got big bands. I got a Persian bitch with buns, she got big bands. Duffel bag full of money, I be calling the shots. Ain't got time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jada Patrice here. If you are a new viewer, hi. Glad you're here. Join the team. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. What's up? What's goody? So let's get into it. Today I'm just gonna talk about like how I started my tooth gem business, how it's going, the process, and a little bit of the things that I use, what's in my kit, or the tea on how to get started. So you want to start a tooth gem business? Hey girl. First things first, you want to find a trainer, somebody that you trust. I happen to literally fall upon a business owner, and she had already been a dental assistant for 10 years, and she has a storefront of her own where she offers tooth gems, teeth whitening, etc. So, my good sis, I was like, okay, she look legit, too legit to quit, let's do it. So her training was $950. No. If you don't want to pay it all out, my girl was doing payments. I'm not sure if she's still doing that, but she does have it on sale now. And if you want her information, just comment down below or DM me on Instagram, and I will give you that. So yeah, I did the training. It was virtual, but she is now off you can do in class or whatever, in-person training if you're in that area, but I'm not in that area. So I did virtual. And I got my certificate.
I know that's right.
Your girl is certified. So once I got certified, I was like, LLC me.
I just took her name and made that bitch a LLC.
Okay. Oh, whatever Nikki said. So yeah, I got my LLC, Gemz by Jada LLC, honey, and I'm super happy and proud of it. So okay, you got your training.
Let's go.
She basically already gave me everything I needed: consent forms, your COVID screening, aftercare instructions, all of that, my kit, everything that I need to get started for my first couple of clients, and it actually has been lasting me. So you're gonna need etch, you're gonna need your composite, you're gonna need your bonding agent. You're also gonna need tips for your etch and your composite, because you will be switching those out within clients. You're gonna need cavicide wipes to disinfect everything, or the spray, or whatever you use. Please make sure when you get your gems, you are soaking them in 100% alcohol just to get the debris. You don't want to just get a gem from a vendor and put it in your client's mouth. You really don't know where that gem has been. And speaking of gems, don't be alarmed if you don't find you can't find a vendor. There's a bunch of vendors out there. If anything, you can even use Gemz, the company that I did the review on. You can either buy their gems if you don't want to buy them crazy in bulk, but there are vendors out there on Instagram. But like I said, if you do your training and you have a good trainer, they're gonna give you the list of the vendors they use and everything. They're gonna give you everything to get started, so no worries. You're gonna need gloves, you're gonna need bibs, you're gonna need safety goggles, you're gonna need masks because you need to wear a mask. You're also going to need your UV light. Where's my baby? Okay, right here. This is the base, and it comes with the charger. You charge in the back. Okay. You got to shine some goddamn body. Yes, honey. Are you done? Okay, we done. So this is what my kit looks like. Right now I am offering a mobile service because I don't have a storefront or a suite right now. I'm just trying to build my clientele, but a space is coming soon, honey, because I'm not gonna really get into much what's in my kit, because I said, you need to take the training, but it's basically my gems, my edge, my composite, my tips, my gloves, your teeth mouth retractors. You're gonna need micro brush applicators to apply your bond, to apply your gems. They do make wax micro brush applicators, so, and if you don't have the ones with wax, you could just get some Vaseline and dip it in there that one time. Don't re-dip it. You dip it at one time, pick up that gem, put it on the tooth, and that's mother freaking it. You hear me? Yeah, so that's pretty much all that you need as far as gems. Now, I only did my training for tooth gems, and because I solely only wanted to do gems, but now I do want to offer more services, only because the girls around here, they ain't really hip to it quite yet. Which I've always been a little ahead of my time, honey. I'm on a different wavelength. I'm on a different frequency, so it might take them a few light years to catch up. But let me tell you something about me. I'ma rock my gems. Okay, all that. Y'all see my opals? Girl, we don't. I hope y'all can see. I hope I look crazy, but yeah. That's basically it. And I just wanted to add that practice makes perfect. Yes, you get your training, but you need to practice before you start playing in people's mouths, honey, because you don't want to get got. And get you some insurance. Okay, because this is my practicing looking like. You feel me? And I plan on getting more practice miles so I can keep doing all kinds of designs so people can see it before they get it. Yeah. Like, if y'all have any more questions or anything, like, please leave me in a comment. I know on YouTube it's not a lot of content regarding tooth gem businesses and how to get started. But this is basically it in a nutshell from what I can tell you. Because I don't want to give you so much game, because I want you, if you really want to do this, you need to invest. And it is like a very unique market. Like, I only knew of like one person starting off when I started looking into gems, and now it's like another person offering it, and now like the tattoo shops.
And like, damn girl.
Well. So it's like, it's a small market, but you know, I'm not 1,000 fast food restaurants, there's 1,000 Italian restaurants. Like, you're not the only one that's gonna do this, but people are gonna gravitate to you off the strength of you being you, and you know, them liking, wanting to get to know you, or wanting, you know, to get the experience, honey. You gotta sell it like Robert said, okay? Because if you don't believe in you, who else would? I never would have thought I would be doing tooth gems, like I would have a tooth gem business. Never would have thought it. But here I am. And I'm slaying it, and it's only gonna get better and better, and I'm only gonna expand my business and offer more services. Like, I'm not limited to just gems. Like, it say Gems by JS LLC, but honey, my gems could be anything. My gems right now, I'm dropping gems for you right now. Do you feel it? So I love y'all. Like, from the bottom of my heart, I love y'all. Okay, for the little 12 people that watch, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for your support. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to come see about more.